The world of photography is standing on the edge of a massive shift. And if you have been holding your breath for the next big thing in the APS-C world, the wait is almost over. For years, the original R7 has been the go-to workhorse for wildlife and sports enthusiasts who wanted that extra reach without the five-figure price tag of a full-frame flagship. But as we move deeper into 2026, the cracks in that aging hardware have started to show. We have dealt with the rolling shutter, the limited buffer, and the ergonomics that felt just a little bit experimental. Now, the whispers from the industry have turned into a roar, and the leaked specifications for the Canon EOS R7 Mark II suggest that Canon isn't just iterative this time. They are looking to annihilate the competition. We are talking about a camera that bridges the gap between the enthusiast and the elite professional in a way we haven't seen since the legendary 7D Mark II era. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The heart of this new beast is rumored to be a groundbreaking 39-megapixel BSI Stacked CMOS Sensor. This is the moment everything changes. By moving to a stacked architecture, Canon is effectively eliminating the biggest Achilles heel of the crop sensor lineup, readout speed. In the previous generation, shooting fast-moving subjects with the electronic shutter often resulted in jello artifacts that ruined professional shots. But with the R7 Mark II, the sensor readout is expected to rival the EOS R5 Mark II, allowing for a virtually silent, distortion-free experience at speeds that were previously reserved for $5,000 bodies. Imagine capturing 40 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking, all while maintaining a resolution that allows for aggressive cropping. For a wildlife photographer trying to frame a bird in flight from 100 yards away, those 39 megapixels on an APS-C sensor provide a pixel density that even the most expensive full-frame cameras struggle to match. But it's not just about raw speed. The integration of the DIGIC Accelerator, working in tandem with the primary processor, means this camera is essentially a supercomputer in the palm of your hand. This secondary processing unit is the secret sauce behind the new neural network autofocus system. We are seeing reports of predictive tracking that doesn't just follow a subject, but anticipates its movement based on deep learning algorithms trained on millions of images. Whether it's a race car coming around a blind corner or a predator lunging through tall grass, the R7 Mark II is designed to lock on and never let go. This level of AI integration is a direct trickle-down from the flagship R1 development, proving that Canon is finally taking the high-end crop market seriously again. Let's talk about the physical evolution because the leaks suggest a total departure from the small and light philosophy. The R7 Mark II is reportedly moving toward a more robust, pro-light chassis. Think of it as a baby R6 Mark III. The grip is deeper. The weather sealing is reinforced to professional standards, and most importantly, the ergonomics have been fixed. The controversial rear dial and joystick placement of the original R7 appear to be gone, replaced by the traditional, battle-tested layout that pros know by heart. This shift in design tells us exactly who Canon is targeting. This isn't a travel camera for the casual hobbyist. It is a rugged tool for the person who spends 8 hours in the rain waiting for a single shot. To support this professional workflow, the storage solution is getting a massive upgrade. We are looking at a dual-slot configuration featuring one CFexpress Type B slot and one UHS-2 SD slot. This is a critical move. High-speed CFexpress is mandatory if you want to clear the massive buffer generated by 40 frame per second bursts or if you plan on utilizing the new high bitrate video modes. Speaking of video, the R7 Mark II is set to become a hybrid powerhouse that could potentially cannibalize Canon's own cinema line. The headline feature here is uncropped 8K video recording. While some might argue that 8K is overkill for an APS-C sensor, the real benefit lies in the oversampled 4K quality. By using the full width of the 39-megapixel sensor, the R7 Mark II can produce 4K footage with a level of detail and low-light performance that was previously unthinkable in this segment. We are also expecting 4K at 120 frames per second for stunning slow motion, all in 10-bit 422 Canon Log 3. For content creators and independent filmmakers, this means you can get the telephoto look of the crop sensor while maintaining a professional color grading pipeline. Heat management has also been a major focus in the 2026 design. Internal leaks suggest a new passive cooling architecture that allows for significantly longer recording times without the dreaded overheating warning that plagued earlier R-series models. When we look at the competition, the landscape is brutal. Sony's A-series and Fujifilm's X-H2 have been dominating the high-end APS-C space for years. Canon has been playing defense, but the R7 Mark II feels like a massive counteroffensive. By opting for a stacked sensor, Canon is offering something that Sony hasn't yet implemented in their flagship crop bodies. The combination of the RF mount's short flange distance and the sheer speed of this new sensor creates a system that is perfectly optimized for the next generation of RFS glass. We are hearing rumors of new L-series quality APS-C lenses arriving alongside the camera, including a fast constant aperture zoom that could finally give crop sensor shooters the professional lens kit they've been begging for.